Hello friends. In this video I'll show you what else useful things can be done with a 3D printer. Let's go. We see a windowsill on a plastic window. There were decorative plugs on the sides that dried out and broke over time. Then we see that now everything is in a not very beautiful condition. I designed and printed a black decorative plug using a 3D printer. Let's check how it will look after we put it on. I specially made them black in order to check how they would look on a white background. Everything fit perfectly and tightly onto the windowsill. This is what the windowsill looks like now. On the other hand, I also printed only small ones. From the side of the room, I was slightly wrong with the dimensions. So I will later print out the length that is needed and completely cover the edge. Overall it looks cool. I think you can see it too. Friends, this is how you can make various decorative elements on a 3D printer and not have to run around looking for these plugs and then saw them off. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up and see you soon.